Are you like me? Do you only give your employees feedback when they commit mistakes? Sometimes, it's not even feedback, di ba? It's a long sermon. Well, I don't blame you. That's how most of us Pinoys grew up. At least sa generation namin. My parents, they seldom praised my good actions. But when I make a mistake, it would be a long sermon if I was lucky. If not, palo. That's why it was not natural for me to praise employees for their good work. Trabaho naman nila yon, bayad sila. At saka, baka lumaki ang ulo pag napuri. I did not know any better then until I learned from my own husband and kids. Di ba ganun tayo? We always want our partners to thank us for exerting effort. We observe our kids if they liked our cooking. Paano? If nagpakapagod tayo and at the end of the day, dead ma lang sila partner at ang mga bata. Masakit, di ba? Super sakit. So I realized that tao din ang ating mga employees and just like me, they need feedback from us. Hindi lalaki ang ulo. Instead, lalaki ang puso natin pareho. Positive feedback or negative feedback. Basta wag lang no feedback. What do you think? Comment below and let me know, okay?